School of Grade 7 are going to perform an activity on physical features of India. The first physical feature of India is the Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains include the mighty Himalayas and the Trans-Himalayan Range. It consists of two Sanskrit words. The Him means snow and the Alya means abode. Thus Himalayas mean abode of snow and the Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world.
Some of the prominent Trans-Himalayan ranges are Karakoram Range, Zanskar Range and the Ladakh Range.
The Himalayas consist of three parallel mountain ranges. First is Himadri, second is the Himachal and third is the Shivalik. The second physical feature of India is the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains lie to the south of the Himalayas and stretch up to 2,500 kilometers. These Northern Plains cover several states including Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam and Rajasthan. These northern plains are ideal for human settlement because of many rivers, favorable climate and fertile alluvial soil. The northern plains are also known as Indo-Gangetic Plains and Gangetic Plains. The northern plains are made up of the three major river systems. First, Indus. It is originated in the Tibetan plateau of the Kailash ranges and it is also known as the Sindhu River. Second, Ganga. It is originated in the high latitude of the Kailash mountain ranges. Third, Brahmaputra. It is originated in the Himalayas of the high peak of the Kailash mountains.
The third physical feature of India is the Great Indian Desert and the Hot Desert. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert, it lies to the west of the Aravalli Mountains. It covers a large part of Rajasthan and extends into Pakistan. The Luni is the only major river that flows through Rajasthan.
Flora of the Great Indian Desert. The Thar Desert has got a range of wildlife. Vegetation is sparse. It is rich in minerals. Solar and wind energy are important in this region.
Ladakh, the cold desert of India. Ladakh lies in a mountainous region. It looks like a desert. Ladakh has very little vegetation with very little rainfall and extremely low temperatures. Ladakh is also known as the land of the passes.
The fourth physical feature is the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau lies the south of the northern plains and is separated from several ranges. And the plateau is flanked by eastern and western Ghats.
The Narmada River divides the Peninsular Plateau into two parts, the Malwa Plateau in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The Malwa Plateau is bounded by the Vindhya Range in the south. The Deccan Plateau lies in the south of the Narmada River. It is bordered by the Satpura Range in the north.
The fifth physical features of India, the coastal plains. India has two narrow strips of coastal plains and either Deccan Plateau, the eastern coastal plain, the western coastal plain. The western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghats and Arabian Sea. These plains are narrower and western coast natural harbors and ports.
The Eastern Coastal Plain. The Eastern Coastal Plain lies between the Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal. The region has a fertile deltas formed by the rivers, ideal for agriculture and often called the granary of South India.
The sixth physical feature of India is islands. India has two major groups of islands, the Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Lakshadweep consists of 36 island groups and its capital is Kavaratti. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It consists of 572 islands and its capital is Srivijayapuram. The Sundarban is the world's largest mangrove forest located in the world's largest delta formed by the confluence of the Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghan rivers. As they also flow into the Bay of Bengal, the Sundarban is known for the Royal Bengal tigers and gets its name from the Sundari trees.
Purvanchal Mountain. The Purvanchal Mountain is known as the Eastern Hills. The range stretches into the 815 kilometers. The highest peak in Purvanchal Mountain is Debaha. The range includes the sub-ranges such as the Patkai Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills and Mizoram Hills.